Entisol and inceptisol. Entisol are soil order in the USDA soil taxonomy, representing soil that are relatively young in the soil horizon development process. Entisols are soils of recent origin. They are the soils that has no o walang nakitang pagbabago sa itsura. Process development. Entisols develop in areas where soil formation processes have been recently initiated or are very slow. This can be due to several reasons, including recent deposition of parent material and extreme conditions that will inhibit the development of more mature soils. Sa proseso ng pagbabago ng lupang entisol ay pinasimulang mabagal gawa ng iba't ibang rason tulad ng recent deposition of parent material and extreme condition. Suitable environment. Suitable environment, ang entisol ay matatagpuan sa iba't ibang kapaligiran na nakapaloob ang malawak na saklaw ng kondisyon kung saan pwede itong mahubog. Vegetation present. The vegetation that grows in areas with entisols varies widely depending on the specific environment and climate. Ang halawang tumutubo raw sa lugar na may mga entisol ay nag-iiba depende sa kapaligiran at klima. General unique characteristics. Dito naman ay lack of well-developed horizons. Dito karamihan sa pagtukoy ng katangian ng entisols ay ang kanilang minimal horizon development. Sample soil horizon, epipedon, and subsurface of entisol. Entisols ay nag-iiba sa kanilang kinaari-arian tulad ng texture, sample soil horizon, epipedon, and subsurface of entisol. Epipedon and subsurface horizons. Punta naman tayo sa inceptisols. Inceptisols, ito ay ang lupa na nailalarawan sa pamamagitan ng minimal at katamtamang pagbabago ng lupa. Process of development. Nagsisimula sa weathering of parent materials leading to the formation of distinct soil layers or horizons. Ang prosesong ito ay na-impluwensyahan ng iba't ibang kadahilanan. Kadahilanan tulad ng klima, oras, topografiya at biological na gawain. Suitable environment. Suitable environment. Ang inceptisol ay matatagpuan sa malawak na sakop ng kapaligiran. Vegetation present. Ito naman ay nakadepende sa klima at lokasyon, ngunit pwede din sa forests, grasslands, and agricultural crops. General and unique characteristics. Moderate horizon development, variability, young to moderately young inceptisols. Sample soil horizon, epipedon and subsurface of inceptisol. Epipedon, The surface horizon epiphyton of incepti soil is typically an A horizon, characterized by organic matter accumulation and soil life activity. This layer is darker and richer in nutrients compared to the layers below. At sa subsurface naman ay below the A horizon incepti soil may have a B horizon subsoil where leaching and accumulation of materials such as clay, iron, and aluminum occur. This horizon shows the beginning of material translocation and accumulation but is not as pronounced in more mature soils. The C horizon consists of the parent material with little alteration.